3 reasons why freelancers should register their freelancing business. Yung pang third talagang matatakot at kakabahan ka na kailangan mong mag-comply. Number 1, it shows legitimacy to your business. Especially nag-i-issue ka ng service invoice or ng official receipt. And that makes your business more credible. Number 2, you have access to loans and investments. Hindi ka naman kilala ng bank eh. And one of the requirements of the banks when it comes to applying for a loan is income tax return or ITR. For them to identify and to know if you are capable of paying your loan. Especially property loan, this is a big purchase. When it comes to investment, kailangan mong i-register ang business mo for them to know that you are using a clean money from a legitimate business. And to ensure that there's no money laundering involved. Number 3, kailangan mong i-register ang freelancing business mo to avoid fines, penalties, and possible charges for tax evasion. Well, bumili ka man sa akin ng property or hindi magbabago yung reality na kailangan mong i-register yung business mo. Whether for financially, legally, or practicality, kailangan mong i-register yung freelancing business mo. May mga tanong ka ba about real estate? Don't forget to leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it right away. At pakifollow na rin ako. Please help me achieve that 10,000 followers para magkaroon ako ng playlist para masort ko yung real estate tips and hacks videos ko just for you. This is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, reminding you to always do smart living.